Hey there folks, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we dive into the world of finance and economics. Well, I am Pawan and today we have some exciting news to discuss. The Reserve Bank of India has just made a significant revision to its GDP growth forecast financial year 23-24 and it's got everyone talking. You won't believe it actually, but they have bumped up the projected growth rate from 6.5% to a whopping 7%. That's right, India's economy is on the move. But hold on, this isn't about numbers. Let's break it down further. Well, the RBI's revised forecast takes into account several key sectors of the economy. We are talking about construction, manufacturing, financial, and real estate services, all showing robust growth. Even the trade, hotels, and transport sector have fully bounced back. Now let's not forget 2023 was a roller coaster ride with the pandemic, conflicts, and economic uncertainties. But as we step into 2024, it's a mix of promise and concern for India's economy. The good news is that India's got some strong momentum on its side. Urban spending is outpacing rural demand. Investments are pouring in and manufacturing is on fire. The high frequency indicators in the final quarter of 2023 are pointing towards a positive GDP growth outlook for this year. But wait, there is more. India's drive to diversify its manufacturing beyond China is paying off big time. Global firms are flocking to India, especially in the telecom and handphone assembly sector. Fiscal incentives, private sector dynamism, and infrastructure investments have created a perfect environment for growth. Now let's talk about why India is an attractive destination for global investors. India boasts a massive and growing market, a young and skilled workforce, and forward-thinking policies. We are talking about educational reforms, tech-enabled governments, and robust infrastructure. All of this makes India a gold mine for greenfield investors, businesses looking to expand, and those eyeing mergers and acquisitions. Well, by 2027, India is projected to become the world's third largest economy, leaving Japan and Germany in the dust. With a GDP exceeding a staggering $5 trillion, that's a game changer. And let's not forget our micro, small, medium enterprises, which is MSMEs. They are the backbone of India's growth story. They create jobs, income, and opportunities, driving consumption, manufacturing, and infrastructure investments. The digital economy is another star player. It's transforming lives, governance, and businesses. In just a few years, it has jumped from 4 to 4.5% to whopping 11% of India's GDP. Now let's talk about India's role in global value chains. The government is all in, taking measures to improve the business environment and nurture local competencies. The mobile industry's export performance is just beginning. India's economic growth is fueled by a booming consumer market with 1.4 billion people and countless unmet needs. It's a playground for international companies. Understanding India's middle class is the key to success here. So, what's the bottom line as we head into 2024? India's economy is on steady climb and it's not slowing down. Projections shows that by 2027 we'll be the world's third largest economy with a GDP of over $5 trillion. The services and manufacturing sectors, especially education, healthcare, IT, and PLI industries are all set to flourish. And guess what? International institutions and financial giants are recognizing India's potential. The IMF, S&P Global Ratings, JP Morgan, they all believe in India's growth story. It's clear that India is emerging as a global powerhouse under the leadership of PM Narendra Modi. The future is bright, my friends. Well, that's a wrap up for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates on India's economy. Stay tuned and we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.